Please welcome Ms. Yan Chen.
Good morning, colleagues of printing industry from all over the Asia Pacific. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm very honored to be here. I'm Chen Yan. Over the past 15 years, I have taken part in organizing the largest printing exhibition in Shanghai, China, All Print, and witnessed its development. I have participated in establishing the first digital printing magazine in China, and promoted development of the internet and new media in the industry. Also, I have witnessed the high-speed growth and changes in the size of China printing industry from 119 billion yuan in 2000 to over 1 trillion yuan up to now. Due to pressure experience, it provided me its opportunity to share the overview of development of China printing industry. Influenced by digitalization, China's printing industry has experienced many difficulties, but it's growing up and evening. In 2014, the reproduction of China's printing industry realized the operating revenue of 1.174 trillion yuan, increased by 5.82% compared with that of the previous year, and acquired the total profit of 81.4 billion yuan, increased by 5.05%. Today, I will share some development highlights of China's printing industry with you. Number one, green printing. Over the year, green printing has made some progress in China. Until now, more than 814 Chinese printing companies have passed the green printing certification. The standard system of green printing is gradually improved, and the detection capability of green printing is also enhanced. In this year, green printing has made use for 1.1 billion textbooks throughout the country. Green printing in the sector of bills and tickets is being put into practice, and trial use green printing in the sector of food and medicine packaging is about to start. Green printing is gradually improved, actively of the interpreting and packaging chain, and more customers choose green printing product. Number two, digital printing. Another technical highlights in development of China printing industry is digital printing. In 2013, digital printing in China realized the output of 10.3 billion yuan, increased by 63% compared with that of the previous year. There are 2,488 businesses specialized in or engaged in digital printing, and 7,715 sets of digital printing equipment in China, growing by more than 2 times compared with that of the previous year. Compared with traditional printing, digital printing continues keeping our fast development trend. Number 3, network printing. Nowadays, networking is a hot topic in every China traditional industry. In China, printing and network technology are deeply integrated. China has in commercial platforms such as Easy Print, Yunyin Print, and Jianhao Printing that private printed materials of online for online orders. And in commercial platform, for example, Print Home that adds the service for printing enterprises and private service in relation to purchase of printing materials. The platforms have changed the method of ordering printing materials and the business process conduct with printing service. Private and buyers, having realized the assembly, operation, and automation of each printing link. Number 4, functional printing. Over the years, functional printing has become more and more eye-catching. New applications such as 3D printing, personalizing printing, harmonized printing, packaging, smart label, and artwork reproduction and meet the market demand are keep emerging. Not few Chinese enterprises combine printed matters, electronics, and some fantastic idea, aiming to find new market opportunities. For example, Shanghai Print Group restores ancient murals by use 3D technology and has realized the organic combination of 3D technology at the cultural industry and private restoration and communication of the cultural relics with new ideas. From the above, we can see China printing industry is at an important stage of the development time, which benefits from the strong demand of the national economic and cultural market on the one hand, and the global facing development on the other, playing an important role in China printing industry. The Printing Technology Association of China will be responsive and implement the cooperative development proposal of One Plant, One Road, put forward by the Chinese government and strengthen international communication and cooperation. For the point, the International Communication Department of the Association will promote communication with all of you. Ms. Zhang Yue, present, is one of my colleagues responsible for communication. When necessary, please contact her. Our association finished the election of the new leadership 2 months ago. In this photo, there are 29 delegates. Mrs. Wang Yanbing is the new president of our association. And I was asked to forward her greeting to all of you. Under her leadership, we will make joint efforts to promote the steady growth of printing industry in China and Asia Pacific from following aspects, together with all of you. Firstly, promote communication and cooperation by taking advantage of different national, international events. For example, the FAPGA meeting held this time in here is very good communication platforms. Besides, all of you are welcome to attend All in Print China, held in Shanghai on October 18 to 22, 2016. To save time, I now share a short video about the all-in-print China with you.
We have a very big booth today at All in Print because we want to show our commitment to the professional printing industry.
Second, promote international connection and mutual recognition of green printing. China green printing standards and indicators have been great to international ones. We are willing to realize mutual recognition and jointly invent the development level of the global printing industry. Since last year, the Printing Technology Association of China has served as Secretary of ISO TC 130, namely International Organization for Standardization Printing Technology, CAPT. In this year, Chinese Professor Pu Jialin has been elected as chairman of the ISO TC 130. We hope to make joint efforts with other countries to push international printing standards to a new height. Thirdly, China nearly imports printing equipment of nearly $2.5 billion, and the Chinese government has implemented the tariff-free policy for import of printing equipment. China has private printing service for many other countries. For example, Masterwork entered into manufacturing cooperation between China, Changrong, and Heidelberg in this quarter of post-printing of package, which is an important achievement of international communication. We will continue strengthening technical communication and further expanding trade cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, the printing industry is always full of engineering and change. Asia-Pacific countries are not only neighbors, but also partners. We have the same desire, sharing, communication, cooperation, and win-win, and the same goal, promote development of printing industry. Let's make joint efforts to create a better future of the printing industry. At last, I wish a complete success of the 15th FAPGA. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.